They arrived as tiny sparks, and today they stand before us as glowing stars. We are proud to begin the Unique Star B Golden Step Ceremony. This is more than a ceremony, it is a celebration of the milestones they have reached and the brilliant futures that lie ahead of them. We now invite Headmistress of IISM, Mrs. Sridevi Neelakannan, onto the stage to bless our little graduates. Please join your hands. Always cheerful with the prettiest smile, Aiza Fatima lights up every room as she steps forward, dreaming of healing and caring for others as a doctor. Very helpful and intelligent, Andrea Anna makes us proud as she comes forward aspiring to discover new ideas as a scientist. Bright and polite, Abdul Bari is a joy to be around, and we proudly present him as he dreams of creating smart solutions as a computer programmer. Highly intelligent and cheerful, Anzal Suhail shines with curiosity as he walks in, aiming to reach for the skies as an astronaut. Calm and polite, Ayan Nikitran moves ahead with grace, dreaming of soaring high as a pilot. Loving to talk and wonderfully smart, Eden Sojan joins us with confidence, aspiring to build and create as an engineer. Sweet and respectful, Fatima Al-Zahra steps onto the stage with a heart full of dreams to shape young minds as a teacher. Parents, please put your hands together. Silent, polite and blessed with a beautiful smile, Giorgio Joseph takes the stage, hoping to stand for justice as a lawyer. Highly energetic, Kalki Adera brings a smirk along as she dreams of baking happiness as a baker. A great performer, Lubin Kamal Raji, walks in confidently, aiming to bravely save lives as a firefighter. Sweet and polite, Mokampreet comes forward with pride, aspiring to serve and protect as a police officer. Very active and bright, Mohammad Azlan Deen enters with enthusiasm, dreaming of shining on the field as a cricketer. Chirpy and cheerful, Nida spreads smiles as she moves ahead, wishing to fill the world with beauty as a florist. Most respectful and intelligent, Muhammad Hazim steps ahead with confidence, dreaming of maintaining law and order as a police officer. Always ready to interact, Rehana brings her energy to the stage, hoping to amaze everyone as a magician. Calm and collected, Safa walks in with confidence, dreaming of healing lives as a doctor. Loving to talk and wonderfully bright and helpful, Sheikha Fatima steps forward, aspiring to create stunning styles as a fashion designer. Chirpy and lively Shuaib Muhammad joins us cheerfully, dreaming of building the future as a civil engineer. Very organized and disciplined, Umama Mahmood moves ahead proudly, wishing to spread knowledge as a librarian. With the sweetest smile, Yusra Sheikh graces the stage, dreaming of bringing healthy smiles as a dentist. A good runner, Zayan Tanveer comes forward energetically, aiming to score big goals as a footballer. Calm and a good listener, Ital Rajesh steps in gently, dreaming of expressing emotions through dance. Very energetic, Rihanna Rinto lights up the moment as she dreams of cooking delicious dishes as the chef. Polite and interactive, Azra Fatima joins us confidently, aspiring to style and create beauty as a hairstylist. Parents, join your hands together. Thank you, ma'am. Small steps today, but giant leaps tomorrow. Our Golden Step ceremony has come to a beautiful close.